how to buy hamham token. So this token came under the symbol of ham. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 6 hours ago and increased by 400% in less than 4 hours. This token trended number 1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your Biscuit wallet folder. As you can see, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Now click here on swap. Switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive the token, as you can see here. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy ham token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.